Namaste yogis, and welcome back to another chakra session. So today we're focusing on the third eye chakra, and we're following this sequence starting from the root all the way to the crown. So we're nearly there. I really encourage you to go check out the other ones if you haven't, if you're new here. Otherwise, today our intention is to focus on the intuition, the intuitive abilities of the third eye space located in between the eyebrows. And this is such an important energy to open up because it will allow you to make decisions from a guided place rather than from a place of doubt and fear. So this intuitive ability is something that we all can have, and it really can enhance your life and change your life when you're able to listen to yourself and follow your own instinct rather than listening to what everybody else wants you to do. This is a key in coming back to your sovereign being. So you don't even need your mat for this one. Just get a comfy bolster or a pillow for your bum and sit down. Make sure your spine is tall, and we'll begin. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jenica, and we're doing this whole sequence, so definitely check that out, as I've said, and we'll get started. So begin to close down the eyes and bring your intention, bring your awareness to your breath. This is how we start almost every class because it's so important that you ground down into the present, into this moment. Leave the rest of your day behind you and be here now. You begin to notice the quality of your breath. See if you can lengthen the inhale, lengthen the exhale. Dropping in. Breathe deeply. Exhale fully. Good. And you can stay in a seated position. I prefer to come onto my knees as I just find it more beneficial for my back. And we're going to do a breathwork practice called Nadi Shodhana. This is alternate nostril breathing. So what we'll do is we'll plug one nostril, inhale through the other, exhale, plug the other, inhale, exhale, switch back, inhale, exhale. And we'll keep going back and forth. And this is used to balance the meridians on both sides of the body. And while we're doing this, we're going to bring our attention to the third eye center, really focusing on breathing here. Okay, so I'll do this with you, and then I'm also going to cue it, but I want you to just keep going until I tell you that the practice is over, okay? So bring your thumb to your right nostril, inhale through your left nostril, exhale. Now switch. Pinky to the left nostril, exhale, and switch. Inhale, exhale, switch, inhale, exhale, switch. And we're going to keep doing this. And now you have the option to bring your middle fingers to your third eye for extra pressure, extra focus on this area, okay? So keep going. Inhale, exhale, switch, You may notice that one side is louder than the other, one side is blocked, one side's open. It's completely normal. Just observe which side is feeling more open and expansive. And see if you can bring some of that expansion into the other side of your body. Good. Now keep this going, and really, as you inhale, draw your inhale up into your third eye center. Breathe in and exhale out through the nostril. Inhale, drawing the energy up to the third eye. Exhale, release. We're bringing the attention here to awaken the third eye chakra. Good. Now release the breath work. You can bring your hands to your lap. Come back to your natural breath. Breathe here. And now we'll begin our visualization meditation. So find a comfortable seat. Blow your nose if you need to. Sometimes that's necessary after that balancing breath work. And we'll get started. Close down your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. You also have the option here to lie down if that's more comfortable for you. And breathe. As you continue to breathe deeply and peacefully, imagine a warm and soothing indigo light gently surrounding you. This light represents the energy of your third eye chakra. Visualize this indigo light growing brighter with each breath. As it does, feel a sense of deep inner knowing and intuition awakening within you. Now imagine a door in the center of your forehead. Picture this door slowly opening, revealing a serene and beautiful landscape. You find yourself in a garden filled with vibrant indigo flowers, lush greenery, and maybe there's even a pond. This garden represents your intuition and inner wisdom. As you walk through the garden, you come across a mirror. Approach the mirror and gaze into it. As you do, see your third eye chakra spinning and glowing with a bright indigo light. Feel the power of your intuition growing stronger. Trust in your inner wisdom. Know that you have the answers you seek within you. Take another deep breath and affirm to yourself, I trust my intuition. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply, see the garden slowly fade away and the door to your third eye chakra gently closing. You are back in the present moment, feeling refreshed and connected to your inner knowing. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of intuition and insight with you throughout your day. Tomorrow we'll be focusing on the crown chakra. I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.